Okay, no word of a lie, this is the fifth time I've tried to shoot this because every time I try, I keep getting attacked by mosquitoes. So anyway, this is like, oh my goodness. Anyway, my friends and I decided to go hiking today. So we're out here hiking in the forest. They're back there. I'm just like trailing off a bit to go see what's down here. But anyway, I wanted to use this time to talk about consistency and how it's really important to be consistent when you're learning a foreign language. In the past, whenever I'd study foreign languages, I'd always take breaks. Like there'd be a day where I'd wake up and I'd be like, I'm just not really down to learn today, and I just wouldn't do it. And then I found that, and I still find now, when you take one break, it's a lot easier to keep taking breaks. Just like working out. Once you get like a good routine going and you're going to the gym every day or 5 days a week or whatever, because like that's what I used to do when I used to go. So let's use 5 days a week as the example here. And then you take one day off, then it's a lot easier to convince yourself to take the second day off and then the third day off and so forth. So with Italian and Dutch, I tried to stick to it every single day and I actually succeeded. With Dutch, I probably mentioned in one of the past videos, I probably talked about how long I learned it for, but I didn't take any breaks. And then I found that I was able to retain a lot more by not taking breaks because it was every single day. Same with Italian. I'm still learning Italian at the moment, as you can all tell from the progress video that I posted, but I haven't taken a single break with Italian. There's been days where I wanted to take a break or where I was just bored and I didn't want to do it, but I just pushed through it and kept going. So my progress learning Italian this time, because I also, yeah, I'm coming. The last time I learned Italian, I posted everything on YouTube. I took a lot of breaks that time. So I found that I progressed a lot slower than I did this time. This time I haven't taken a single break. And I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before. That was my my 1 month mark. And I found that I progressed, let's say 3 times as fast this time than I did the first time I learned Italian. And like there's obviously a lot of factors that can be taken into account here. Like this is the second time I'm learning Italian. I do have more experience learning languages in general and stuff now, but I do think that a large part of it is the fact that I was consistent and that I studied every single day. I didn't take any breaks. So I'm gonna try and continue this. I'm gonna try it with like a more difficult language. I'm considering maybe learning Hebrew or something and then trying to be consistent and studying every single day to see if that would affect my speed or whatever. Or maybe Chinese. I was thinking about doing Chinese afterwards because I remember mentioning in the video earlier that I wanted to try and stick to languages that I've already studied and to bring them up to a higher level. So I'm gonna try it with Chinese. I'm gonna try being consistent every single day and studying every single day. And I want to see if that'll affect my progress at all. Because when I studied Chinese the first time, back in 2013 or however long ago that was, I studied every single day and I progressed pretty fast. Like it got to the point where I could think in Chinese. Well, not really fast, but I guess fast considering the fact that it's Chinese, because when I learned Catalan, I progressed a lot faster than when I studied Chinese. But I guess that's because I had more experience with when I was learning Catalan, with learning languages in general, and Catalan isn't as different from English as Chinese is. But anyway, consistency. Stay consistent with whatever you're doing, whether it be language learning or working out or whatever you want to do. Try and stay consistent, and you should progress a lot faster than if you weren't consistent. And also remember, after you take the first break, it's a lot easier to take the second break. So try to stay consistent, and it should affect your progress in a positive way.